Welcome! If you want to change icon shape into your VIVO V20 SE, first step, go into Play Market and find X icon editor application. This one. I already installed this application, so need installing and then open. Then wait to set control loading. And then need to close ads. And now need choose, for example, some application. We can use maybe your clock application. And then we got a background and shape options. So need to choose your shape. For example, rectangle. And okay, maybe star is okay. So click your shape and click OK on the top right corner. Wait a second for generating.
Dzięki Vinted możesz dać.
Sorry, need to close ads one more time. And then need click add automatically. So click. And now we got a new icon shape of our clock. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.